Hi guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. I'm your gardener friend Ruchi, and today I'm going to give you 5 tips on sowing seeds. So, first of all, plan ahead. If the summer season where you live is about 4 months long, June, July, August, September, and it's already July, and you think that you should grow some vegetables, if you try to sow seeds at this point, it will take 5 to 6 weeks for the plants to grow this big. So that will probably be too late. So it will be better if you just go out and get the saplings from the nursery. So if you want to plant your vegetables from seeds, then you have to plan ahead, order the seeds, and get them ready so that at the start of the season you can plant them. The second thing is that you should try to plant your seeds where you actually want to grow them. So, if the weather permits, if there are not too many slugs in your garden, so you just plant them outside in the containers or in the ground so that, they grow there, they get a lot of sunlight, fresh air. If the weather doesn't permit, then grow them in the seedling containers and keep them inside and give them a lot of sun inside. And once they are like 5 to 6 inches tall, then transplant them outside. But it is always better if you grow them outside. And if you are growing root vegetables, then you have to plant the seeds wherever you want to grow them. You can't transplant them because otherwise the roots will be all crooked. The third thing is that you should soak your seeds for about 24 hours because that helps in the germination process. Now, if the seeds are too tiny, maybe you don't want to soak them because then they'll be all clumped together, and when you scatter them, they'll just stay lumped, and then many plants will grow from one place. So, if they're tiny, leave them as it is. But if they are big enough, then just soak them for 24 hours and then plant them. So, your seeds will, more seeds will germinate and they'll germinate faster. The fourth thing is that how deep the seeds should go in the soil. So the rule of thumb is that it should be 4 times the size of the seeds. So bigger the seeds, the deeper they can go. So like beans and zucchinis, the seeds are pretty big, like half a centimeter wide. So they can go about an inch deep. But the tiny seeds, you just don't want to sow them too deep. Otherwise, they'll not be able to surface up. The fifth point is that you need to give your seeds a lot of warmth and humidity for optimal germination. So when you have planted your seeds, just keep the soil moist, not wet, and also try to create a humid environment around it. So, for example, when I plant it in a container, I just cover it with a water tray so that whatever water evaporates from the container, it just stays within that container, and that environment is humid. So that also helps in germination. And because seeds don't need sun, it's only when they start to grow they need sun. So you can just cover it with anything you want, and they'll be fine. And one more thing I would like to say is that whenever you are growing vegetables or flowers or whatever, at the end of the season, leave some of the vegetables or flowers on the plant and let them dry and collect their seeds so that for next season, you don't have to go out and buy the seeds. You already have seeds collected from your own plants. So let me summarize. Number one, plan ahead. Number two, grow them. Oh, squirrels are playing. Number two, plant the seeds wherever you want to grow them. Number three, soak your seeds. Number four, how deep they should go, 4 times the size of the seeds. And number 5, give them a lot of warmth and humidity. And always collect the seeds at the end of the season. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.